This is the weather forecast video for Monday, December the 5th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system located from the desert southwest into Texas and then northeastward into the eastern Great Lakes, producing some showers and a few thunderstorms over that area with heavy snow over New Mexico. Watch warning map from just after midnight. Winter storm warnings over most of New Mexico with winter weather advisories surrounding it. Flash flood and flood watches extend from northeastern Texas northeastward into Indiana and Ohio, while the rest of the nation is quiet. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 6 o'clock shows the heaviest rains will be in that area where the flood and flash flood watches are, from eastern Texas northeastward into the eastern Great Lakes, with little, if anything, around here. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 6 p.m. this evening. You can see there's that trough axis that's still to our west, with a piece of energy moving in through New Mexico into West Texas with a ridge over Florida. And that keeps this frontal system east of us parallel, so it'll be a slow mover. But here, the storm has passed us, and we're in the cold air, and highs will be in the 20s to lower 30s with mostly sunny skies. Tuesday, pretty much the same story. Morning lows in the single digits and teens, with highs climbing back into the 20s to lower 30s with partly to mostly sunny skies, which continue into Wednesday. Could be a few flurries or light snow showers over Minnesota and into the Dakotas. Otherwise, it'll still be fairly dry around here. Thursday, here comes another push of cold air out of Canada, high pressure moving into the Dakotas. Temperatures drop back into the 20s with lows in the single digits and teens. Friday, same story, about highs in the 20s to lower 30s with lows in the single digits and teens with partly to mostly sunny skies. We head into the weekend, Saturday. Winds begin to switch to the south and west, and temperatures warm back up into the 30s statewide, with morning lows in the teens and lower 20s. Sunday, still a little warm, southwest winds still in force, so highs will still be at least statewide in the 30s, maybe cooler, maybe in the upper 20s in the snowpack areas. A week from today, next Monday, pretty zonal flow across the country except for the upper level feature that's just off the southern California coast. Otherwise here, there could be a few light snow showers with a disturbance moving through. Little, if any, accumulation will be possible with this system, as we have still a week to look at it. We head further into the month of December. Here's the 15th. You can see some energy with the trough axis moving into Baja California and the desert southwest. With that, here comes some moisture out of the Gulf, so this looks mostly like rain right now with the 540 line in southern Minnesota, so could be quite soggy toward the middle of the month. We had another day later, that piece of energy over the desert southwest kicks out. That part will move south of the state, bringing possibly some heavy rain and maybe even some heavy mixed precipitation down there. We head to the end of the forecast on December the 20th. Fairly zonal flow, bit of a trough axis moving through here, but not much with that. Some snow over the Great Lakes, rain over Texas, and a fairly powerful storm moving in to the Pacific Northwest. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.